LawHub. Explore, prepare, succeed.
How to register for the LSAT. One of the common questions asked is about the process of registering for the LSAT. Today I'm going to share my screen and help you through the registration step by step. To register for the LSAT, please log into your JD account from the lawhub.org sign-in page and click the LSAT tab and select Register for the LSAT from the drop-down menu. You will enter the LSAC Candidate Agreement Terms and Conditions for the LSAT and LSAT Puerto Rico screen. Review the candidate agreement. Check the box to certify you have read and understand the agreement and click the I agree button. You will then enter the LSAT photo requirements screen. Take a moment to review the photo requirements so you can be ready to upload your passport-style photo. Click the Continue to Registration button when you're ready. Next, you will enter the LSAT registration screen where you will complete Step 1A and B, your testing preferences. These preferences are for planning purposes only. Your selection right now does not schedule your actual testing session. You will select your modality preference, in-person or remote, testing time preference, and testing time location on this screen. Don't worry, we will send you email reminders when it's time to schedule your test. Check the box to certify you will be physically located in the country you selected during the administration of the LSAT. Check the box to confirm you read the Assistive Technology Program's information and select the Submit button. On the next LSAT registration screen focused on Step 2, Choose a Date and Location, select your preferred testing month and enter your preferred testing day of the week. Click the Submit button and move forward. Select the Proceed with Registration button. Now you'll enter the next LSAT registration screen focused on Step 3, Upload Photo. Upload your photo using the Upload Photo button. If you are unsure of the photo requirements, please review the information again by clicking on the link. Check the box to confirm you have read and understand the LSAT photo requirements. Then click the Submit button to move on to the next step. Review your information and click the Add to Cart button. You can continue to checkout when you're ready. From the Order Summary screen, be sure to read the Notice for LSAT and LSAT Argumentative Writing Registrants and check the box to certify you have read the information. Select the Checkout button. Once on the Billing Information screen, confirm your address and select the Continue button. From the next Billing Information screen, enter your payment details and select the Pay button. Your LSAT registration is now complete. Be on the lookout for a confirmation email. Your new registration will also appear in your account. You can find answers to this and other questions online at our FAQs, or just follow the link in the video description.
LawHub. Explore, prepare, succeed.